Before watch ads went viral, one man made America believe that a watch could survive anything, even a trip on a turtle's back. His name? John Cameron Swayze. And with one unforgettable line, he didn't just sell Timex watches, he made them legendary. But how did a former news anchor become the face of one of the most iconic ad campaigns in history? Stay with me, because this is a story that keeps on ticking. John Cameron Swayze may have started his career as a pioneering newscaster, but his true legacy lies in a phrase so iconic it still echoes today. It takes a licking and keeps on ticking. If you recognize those words, you've already glimpsed the magic that Swayze brought to television screens across America, not as a news anchor, but as the unforgettable face of Timex watches. Before Swayze became synonymous with Timex, he was already making waves in the broadcasting world. In the 1950s, he was one of the first television news anchors in the United States, hosting NBC's Camel News Caravan. With his calm demeanor and authoritative presence, he helped shape the role of the modern TV newscaster. But as television evolved, so did Swayze's career. His transition from news to advertising wasn't a fall from grace, it was a leap into something bigger. Enter Timex, a company looking for a way to set itself apart in a crowded market. Known for their affordable and durable watches, Timex needed a spokesperson who could communicate their reliability in a way that would resonate with everyday Americans. Swayze, with his trustworthy voice and approachable charm, was the perfect choice. What followed was a series of commercials that didn't just advertise watches, they created a phenomenon. Each Timex ad was a spectacle. Swayze, ever the professional, would calmly narrate as the watches underwent some of the most outlandish endurance tests imaginable. One watch was strapped to an outboard motor, another was attached to a hammer and smashed against a wall. In one particularly memorable commercial, a Timex watch was tied to a turtle and dragged through water. And yet, every single time, the watch survived. Swayze would end each demonstration with his now famous line,
"Movement can take such a licking and keep on ticking."
The phrase became more than a tagline. It was a cultural touchstone. Viewers didn't just watch the commercials, they talked about them, laughed at them, and most importantly, trusted them. Swayze's calm delivery lent credibility to the outrageous tests, and Timex sales soared as a result. The partnership was so successful that by the 1960s, Timex had captured a significant share of the American watch market. What made these commercials work wasn't just the ingenuity of the tests or the durability of the watches, it was Swayze himself. His ability to blend authority with humor made the ads unforgettable. He wasn't just selling watches, he was selling a promise that Timex would be there for you, no matter what life threw your way. Even after stepping back from broadcasting, Swayze's role with Timex cemented his place in American pop culture. He became a symbol of trust and resilience, much like the watches he championed. And while the phrase, "it takes a licking and keeps on ticking," has outlived Swayze himself, it remains a testament to his enduring influence on both advertising and horology. Swayze didn't just advertise Timex watches, he made them legendary. And for that, his story will keep on ticking.